Hello kids, welcome back to Jerry Kids Learning. Today we are going to learn counting. Are you excited? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, good job. Can you repeat with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Now it's game time. Are you ready? Let's go! Can you find the correct number? Where is number 2? Yes, it's number 2. And where is number 3? Wow, that number is 3. And also where number is 7. Good job, that's it. And where number is 9? Amazing! This number is 9. And where number is 6? Can you see it? Yes, great job! It's 6. Now where is number 5? Wow, good job! Where is number 4? Good job! That's number 4. Now kids, where is number 10? That's it, number 10. Great job. Another game time. Let's match numbers with item. Number 1 match with 1 apple. Number 2 goes to 2 balls. And number 3 matches with 3 stars. Perfect. Now let's match number 4 with 4 cars. Number 5 goes to 5 water bottles. And number 6 matches with 6 mangoes. Yummy! Let's find 7 fishes. Where is fishes? Good job! 8 matches with 8 ants. And number 9 goes to 9 teacups. And what about number 10? Look, 10 cute little puppies. Good job! You did an amazing job today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Jerry Kids Learning for fun more videos.